Hi everyone, today we are going to do the lab one, and the lab one is we have to identify photos with with rhinoceros images with rhinoceros in it. So in this lab we are going to segregate the photos, and we are going to recover the photos with rhinos in it. So initially, there are some steps we need to do before that. So when we for giving to give a context, I just want to tell you about deleting our files in our system. So while deleting the files, when we click the delete option, it is just that the pointer to the file is removed, and the memory that the actual file content memory where the file content is present is just uh, it stays the same, but it is indicated that to the operating system that it is a free memory so that you can write any other file. So it is possible that we can recover all the data that is present with some tools. So in order to prevent that, we will use a shred command so that all the data that is present will be shredded and it will not be possible to recover. So who the illegal content who uh, the people who want to share the illegal content will use this to shred command to completely wipe out the files. Now we'll just see how we use shred command. Let's say I'm creating here a directory, new lab. It already has we already have a new lab, so we are going to new lab, and now here we are we are creating a text file, sample text file, and you can see we have the text file. And if you want to see the content of the text file, you can write file.txt. You can see that we have hello as a content. And now if we want to shred this file, so first we want to see the hex code in this file. Let's see, use hex dump file1.txt. We just need first 5 lines, the head part, like first 8 to 9 lines. So this is the head part. This is the head of the file, so we can see there is some data. If you want to see all the data, yeah, this is all the data in the file. So now if you want to shred it, we use the command shred vzn3 file1.txt. So now we have shredded the file, and if we just display the file, like see the hex code of the file, we can see that all the file hex code values are zeros. So the content is completely removed. You can see it doesn't have anything. All the content is removed. So this is about the shred command. Now we are going to proceed to the next steps of the lab. We can also shred the other files. You can just make an image, take a image using this link. Let's say I'm copying this and pasting it here. Copying it. Now we're gonna copy this command. paste the selection. Oh, it's okay. You should paste the clipboard. Yeah. It should have the hyphen immediate to the queue. Now we can see the image is downloaded. You can see the image here, and you can see the hex dump of this image. Hex dump. Now you can paste it here, and you can see the hex dump of this file. Now if you use shred command on this file, now if you see the hex dump again, you can see that all the content of the file is wiped out. So this is the way how we get rid of the file's content. So now if we go to the next step of this lab, see we got the hex code, it is all zeros, and we got rid of the thing. Now we want to download the evidence we have to recover the images using the command, using this command. Copy it, paste clipboard. I think you should copy it here again. Paste the clipboard. Now I am downloading the zip file. You can see that there is a zip. Then we unzip it. We have unzipped it, and then we can see all the extracted files. Now we can see verify the MD hashes of this. Let's see, OpenSSL GST. Now if we can see that the hex, the MD hash, MD5 hash here is same as here, A35F30, AE3F30. So we can verify that for the other files as well. We will now proceed to the next step, and we will now know about the disk image we acquired as the evidence. We can use fdisk L. We can use fdisk L to RH. So we'll get the details of this file, disk type, DOS, and disk identifier. And now you can also use a separate media management command. So it will show all the unallocated sectors, so that it can be used so that we can search for the hidden data. You can use the same command, mmls. I think it's not working. We can now proceed to the next part, I guess. Let me check. I think the command is not working. We'll go to the next command. This one will show the type of the disk details, including the type of the disk, the layout, sizes, and labels. AFS state. Rhino USB.dd. FS state. Yeah, it is fstat, not fstate. It is shown wrong in the slide, and this is the file system. It has a FAT16 file system, and you can see all the other details, the sector size, cluster size, and the FAT contents, file system contents. Now you'll go to the next step. We can see the hidden files here. The orphan files are deleted files. Like I have told before, orphan files are deleted files that still have the metadata of the in the file system but cannot be accessed from the root directory. So we'll use this command fls o0 rhino usb.gd. So you can see that there are orphan files. There are two text files, gumbo1 text.txt, gumbo2.txt. And then next we will go and extract the data units from the file into the source file. So before we do all this, we just need to do another step. So these are all the steps we will do after we make a copy of the Rhino disk image, in case so that if we in any case we should not overwrite the original contents of the file. We just need to make a copy and work on it. So here we are making a copy of the Rhino USB disk image. So we are using this command equal to ed. We are copying it into we are making a copy of it into a different thing. So we have copied it, and you can see there is a one more disk image, Rhino USB copy. Now we will work on this copy. Now we will use photorec command to recover the photos, to start recovering the photos. Here for photorec copy.dd. So we are proceeding with it, and we are selecting FAT16, then the other free, and we are selecting this one. Proceed, and then we selected the 16 and recurrent. So we got here a new directory called recoup directory. So if you quit and see, you can see there is a if you go to home directory, you can see there is a recoup directory. If we go to the recoup directory dot one, you can see there are some text jpg files, image gif files, and text files. So here, if you want to segregate all the jpg files as a group, we can use lsl #.jpg. We can use display command to see the images. fz0104057 will see the image. So this does not have any rhinoceros photos, and we can have 4249. Even this does not have. So like this. Oh, I think we are getting the file name wrong. .jpg. Yeah, here we are getting an alligator photo, and here these are all the alligator photos. And let's say we try another file, 96409. This is a rhinoceros photo. So there are some rhinoceros photos in here, including others. So we identify the rhinoceros photos, we have retrieved them, and we can provide this as an evidence. So we can also group GIFs, image types, and we can see display 010. F01068.gif. So you can see here there is GIF that also has rhinoceros. So like this we can recover the images using the PhotoRec tool, and we can also we can provide this as evidence. Yeah, these are all the photos. So this is the first lab. Thank you.